chicken meatball and radish soup. Ingredients: 1 egg, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 spring onion, 2 slices of ginger, 1 teaspoon white pepper, 1 tablespoon cooking wine, 2 tablespoons starch, half white radish, chicken breast. Directions: prepare all ingredients: peeled white radish, minced shallot and ginger, shredded white radish. Cut the chicken into pieces first, and then chop into chicken puree. Add salt, green onion, ginger, white pepper, starch, cooking wine, 1 egg, stir until the meat filling becomes very thick. Add water to the pot and boil, add white radish shreds and boil the soup. After boiling the soup, use a low heat and keep a small bubble, and add chicken meatballs. After putting all the chicken meatballs in the pan, cook on medium heat for 5 minutes and sprinkle with salt. Pour sesame oil, sprinkle with coriander and white pepper,